Welcome back to another part of this AutoCAD series. So in today's video, we'll be learning about table tool. So you can find the table tool here in the annotation panel. So click on the tool and the insert table dialog box open. So the table is style currently is standard. You can change the style by clicking here and adding a different kind of styles. For now, I'll go with standard. And in the insert option there is start from the empty table. So currently it is selected, but you can also click on the from more data link. If you have a link of data that you want to create a table from, then you can select this, or you can also select the from object data in the drawing. If you have some data in the drawing area, you can select this option, but for now I'll go with the start from empty table. And in this preview option, it will show preview how your table will look like. And the next insertion behavior is specify insertion point. So if I'll specify a point, my table will be inserted, and for that I need to specify the column width, rows and rows height. So number of column I'll insert 10, and for column width I'll go with 5, and data rows let's go with 6, and row height also 5. So here in the second option is specify window. So for this I need to specify the window. So let's click on this. So here only we can insert the number of rows and number of rows and rows height. I can specify all the things that we have specified here in the insertion point, where we can specify number of rows and uh, columns and their height width, but here I can't specify it. I just need to specify the window and the table will be inserted here, but for now I'll go with the first one. And another here is set cell style. So here the first row will be the title. So here, as in the previous, first one will be for title, then for header, and all other row will be for the data. So this is the way your table will be inserted. Click on the OK button, and here you can see in my cursor the table is attached, and I just need to specify the insertion point. So this will be my insertion point, and my table is inserted. So here you can see I in the first one, for the I need to specify the title of this. So for now let's type table, select it, and let's increase it up to 0.5. And here the table, here the text has increased. So if I want to edit my table, I can edit from here. And if I want to add my text here, so I can click on the point where I want, here in the boxes where I want to add any kind of text. So for now I'll click first, and here you can see the text is written, but it's a bit small, so select it and increase its height, and it's get increased. So this is all about the table tool. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.